The difference of squares is actually the easiest of the different kinds of special products of binomials. So we've looked at 3 formulas for special products. We had the 2 formulas that were perfect square trinomials. We could have problems of the form a plus b squared or a minus b, all of that squared. And so these were the formulas you had. We had a third special product, and that was when we had one of the form a plus b times a minus b, and that always equals a squared minus b squared. So let's look at a couple of problems. If I wrote down the formula here already, so if I have x plus 5 times x minus 5, then we know this is of the form a plus b times a minus b. See, this is x is the a, 5 is the b. Now we have same thing here. And so we know that that one equals a squared minus b squared. So first, what is my a value? A equals x. What is my b value? B is 5. All right, it doesn't matter that it's positive here and negative here. That's just part of the formula because it's of this form. It's a problem of this form. A plus b times a minus b. X plus 5 times x minus 5. So all I have to do here, what was my a value? A was x, so I'll put x squared, and then I put minus, and b was what? 5. So it's x squared minus 5 squared equals x squared minus 25. That's not so bad, is it? What if we have one that's pretty complicated? They're not so bad either. So if I have 2x cubed plus 3x times 2x cubed minus 3x, that's the same form of I have a plus b times a minus b. So I have some value plus another value times that first value minus the other value. And that's going to equal a squared minus b squared. So what is a? A equals 2x cubed. B equals 3x. Now I just substitute in. So what I have here, that's what this is, my original problem. So I'm just going to solve this part over here. A squared minus b squared. So my a is 2x cubed. My b is 3x. Now I just simplify. 4x to the 6th. Remember, we multiply when we're raising one power to another. Minus 3 times 3. Some people get mixed up and make a careless error and say 3 plus 3. But it's squared, 3 times 3, not 3 times 2. So it's 9x squared. And that's all there is to it. You try one yourself. Try this one over here. 4x squared plus 3xy. That times the quantity of 4x squared minus 3xy. Pause the video, try to solve it, and then turn it back on when you're ready to check. Okay, let's see how you did. What this is going to be, remember, it's of this form, so my answer is actually going to be a squared minus b squared, right? So a equals 4x squared, b equals 3xy. There's my a, I have it in both of them. Here's my b, I have that in both of them. Now I'm going to substitute in a squared, 4x squared minus b squared, 3xy. Simplify those. I get 16x to the 4th minus 9x squared y squared. If you didn't get it, rewind the video again, try your problem again, and see if you can do it on your own this time.